Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. Our payments app has 50,000 monthly users, spends 5 lakhs a month on partnership and acquires new users at just rupees 18 each. That sounds great until you see the MAU is actually declining month on month. The simulator shows you exactly why and what to fix first. This is the UPI and Payments App Growth Simulator by Upgrowth that is built for UPI platform payment apps and fintech payment businesses. Enter your user base, transaction data, marketing budget, and acquisition channel, and you get a full channel performance marketing, a 12-month MAU projection, transaction revenue, and so on. So let's check how this works with a quick example. There are 6 inputs. Let us go through each one. First is set your currency if it is INR or USD, and then monthly active users is your current MAU, the number of users who actively transact on your platform each month. Monthly transaction volume is the total number of transactions processed on your platform each month, and average transaction value is the typical amount per transaction in rupees. And monthly marketing budget is your total spend on user acquisition each month. Primary geography is your main market. I've selected Southeast Asia. And primary acquisition channels, how you primarily acquire new users. I've selected partnership and integration, which covers bank tie-ups, merchant onboarding, and app integrations. Now let's click on run growth simulation. So here is what the output shows. First is the key insight at the top telling you the story immediately. Your partnership channel is generating 27,500 new users every month. Your LTV to CAC ratio is 176x is healthy for sustainable growth, and your payback is just 2 months. Now let us go through each output. Here the customer acquisition cost is rupees 18. That is how much it costs to bring in one new user through partnership, an exceptionally low number for payment businesses. And lifetime value is 3,200 per user based on your transaction volume and average transaction value. And LTV to CAC ratio is 176x, meaning for every rupee spent acquiring a user, the platform earns back rupees 176 over the user's lifetime. The benchmark target is 3x or higher, so this is a well above healthy. And here the payback period is 2 months, meaning your acquisition cost is recovered within 2 months of a user joining, and 12-month transaction revenue is 89 lakh 4,000. Now here is the important number. The 12-month MAU here shows 46,375, which is lower than your starting 50,000. So monthly churn rate is 6%, and here monthly churn rate is 6%, and year over year growth is -7%. And the MAU chart makes this visible. Despite bringing 27,500 new users every month, your active user base is steadily declining from month 1 to month 12. Why? Because at 6% monthly churn, you're losing more users than you're gaining each month on a net basis. Your acquisition economics are excellent, but retention is the bottleneck. The channel performance ranking gives you a roadmap for what to fix. Viral referral ranks first at 90 points, partnership second at 85 points, and organic third at 80 points, and paid ads last at 50 points. For a payments app where network effects matter, building a referral or viral loop even alongside your existing partnership channel could close the churn gap faster than any other level. So most payments app track downloads and transaction volume but do not model the net effect of churn on their monthly active user base in one place. The simulator makes it visible in one screen. An LTV to CAC ratio of 176 looks excellent in isolation, but when churn is 6% a month, that lifetime value never fully compounds because users leave before they reach it. The fix is not to spend more on acquisition, it is to reduce churn so your existing acquisition budget produces lasting growth. So this simulator helps you see that before your next quarter begins. Run this with your MAU and churn data before your next growth planning session. The link is in the description. And if you want Upgrowth to help you build a growth hacking and performance marketing strategy for your payments platform, book a free strategy call with us. With this book a free strategy call button just below here, we can help you out. Thank you.